Do you know many people are having trouble with adjusting channel delay on Allen and Heath dLive S7000? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Open delay screen. Start by opening the delay settings screen on your mixer, where all channel delays can be viewed and adjusted. Step 2. Adjust delay. Adjust the delay value for your desired channel using the on-screen rotary or by touching the parameter box. Step 3. Toggle delay. Toggle the delay for a channel on or off by using the In button as needed. Step 4. Set preferences. Hold Setup to access the units and preferences, allowing changes to delay measurements and ambient temperature settings. Step 5. Apply settings. Apply the delay settings to either input or mix channels globally for consistent audio delay control. By following these steps, you can precisely control the channel delay on your dLive S7000 mixer. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Allen and Heath users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.